From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. 11 days ago, Sachin Waze was arrested by the NIA. For 11 days, there was an echo chamber that was caught off guard but remained determined to peddle a narrative that this was all one case of one bad apple. A singular cop gone rogue. They tried to hang on to this claim, but the web of conspiracies, the nexus of lies, and the entire racket at work is unraveling swiftly. The attempt to divide the probe and derail and delay the truth has failed. Now that the Thane court has ordered that one agency, the NIA, will handle the case of both the Antilia bomb scare and Mansukh Hiren's murder. The NIA is looking to book Sachin Waze under harsh sections of terrorist acts under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Waze's aide and fellow Mumbai police officer, another very controversial man, Riazuddin Qazi, we are told is turning a prover against Waze. So is the falling out of people who work together. More details of what was happening at the hotel where Sachin Waze was present before gelatin sticks were placed near Antilia have been unearthed. Who was the ringleader and taskmaster for Sachin Waze? Who was Waze extorting for? Who did Waze, if he did, organize the killing for? Who was the reason that despite the Scorpio being present at the Mumbai police headquarters just days before the Antilia incident, no one said anything? Viewers, the syndicate is shaking in its boots, and it is only a matter of time before the big names become public. We have three big debates today this evening, viewers. Three big debates. First, NIA taking over in the Waze case. Without doubt, I'm absolutely sure, that the mastermind is going to be caught. Debate number 2 this evening. The comment of Mamata Banerjee, where she talks about outsider goons who wear saffron. What's the problem Mamata has with saffron? That's debate number 2. And debate number 3. Debate number 3 this evening is that the Delhi bill and allegations by the Aam Aadmi Party that its powers are being encroached on. This raises a storm in Parliament. The face-off continues. Debate number 3, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the Debate Tonight. NIA takes over both cases in Mumbai. Sachin Waze's aides arrested, handed over by the ATS. NIA invokes UAPA charges and investigates the plot against India. Will all names emerge now? Political emergency in Maharashtra. Back-to-back meetings to douse the Waze and Vasuli fire. Controversy over Mamata's goons and saffron remark. The outsider debate blows up in Bengal. Prime Minister Modi hits back, tells Mamata Banerjee no Indian is an outsider on Indian soil. And the Delhi bill debate raises a storm in Parliament. The Aam Aadmi Party and the government face-off continues. The turf war has ended and the court has asked the ATS to officially hand over the case of Mansukh Hiren's killing and the Antilia bomb scare to the NIA. Tonight, as India's premier counter-terrorist task force takes over and invokes UAPA, there is only one question on my mind. Will the real names, the real mastermind and the full plot now emerge so that the people of this country are not made to go through yet another betrayal? Let's debate.
At 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the ATS officially handed over the arrested suspects to the NIA. The handover after a brief turf war and after the agency made it clear it was invoking sections of UAPA.
NIA invokes UAPA in Antilia bomb scare case. What does it mean? It means that now National Investigation Agency will probe the larger plot against India. It will probe the entire case with different aspects of a terror angle.
The development comes as Republic exposes more facts.
13 lakhs for 100 days in a luxury hotel. That's the deal that was struck by Wazir with a local businessman. Sources say that Wazir had stayed in this hotel even in the month of January. But it was in room number 1964 that this conspiracy was hatched.
A stay at a five-star hotel. And they even tried getting away after brazenly bringing the Scorpio used to plant explosives into the police compound. They thought they really would get away. The details emerging are damaging. And then there are transcripts and phone recordings as well.
मुख्यमंत्री ये प्रमुख है, उन्होंने बातचीत करनी चाहिए, लेकिन वो जानते हैं कि इस पर बात करना उनके लिए कठिन है। अगर इस पर वो बात करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं जांच करनी पड़ेगी, जांच के आदेश देने पड़ेंगे, जो वो देना नहीं चाहते।
Tonight the Maharashtra government is firefighting, questioning those who raised questions 8 months ago.
जिस लोगों के फोन नंबर के टैपिंग की परमिशन मांग की थी, उनके तो फोन नंबर टैप ही नहीं हुए, टैप हुए कहीं अलग नंबर ही। और क्या मालूम कि ऐसे करते करते पूरे मंत्रिमंडल का ही फोन टैप करने का काम रश्मि जी ने किया होगा।
Who was the real mastermind? Will all names now emerge? Who made Sachin Wazir in charge? When they could, why didn't they stop Wazir? With NIA taking over and this disgraced cop's aide turning a prover, will the truth now emerge? Let's debate.
Sambit Patra, can you tell us what we are getting at out here? I mean, what is the end game? What are you trying to do? What's your end game? What's your plan? What's your end game?
See, Arnav, as far as our plan is concerned, the plan at the end of everyone is to see to it that the truth is unearthed. And we at least come to know what was cooking inside this government. And ironically, if you see whatever has been in fact discussed in the television, whatever has come out in these last few days or last few weeks in Maharashtra, I mean, it is a classic case of a cocktail of all kind of wrongdoings which would make a blockbuster underworld movie. Extortion, gelatin sticks, terror plot, murder, SUVs, mysterious SUVs, then you have money counting machine, you have extortion, everything that happens inside the den of an underworld. So my question is, was it a government which was run, or rather is it a government which is being run by the so-called Maha Vasuli Aghadi in Maharashtra, or was it an underworld movie which is being filmed there? I mean, this is what every Indian today is asking of the MVA government in Maharashtra. And I firmly believe that we have to reach a logical conclusion, because until and unless the country reaches a logical conclusion, why this letter was written by
what is that
Paramveer
logical
Singh? What is the
conclusion?
content of this letter? What is the truth behind
What is that
this?
logical conclusion politically? And otherwise, what's the logical conclusion?
These all
What is
things,
the logical conclusion?
Arnab, Sambit Patra ji, these all things are going.
The question was to
at
Sambit,
country
what's the
level,
logical
not at
conclusion?
the state level, and this center is
See,
also.
the logic-
No, I'm
the
asking
logical-
Sambit,
the
what's the
logical
logical conclusion? That question is to
logical
Sambit Asgar.
conclusion is-
Thank you.
let me.
Do you know, Mr. Patra?
The logical
Yes.
conclusion is all the three components of MVA were acting in tandem to see to it that there was extortion, to see to it that there were illegal things being done on behest of the topmost officials of the state, to see to it that in fact the chief minister, the other components of the MVA, they were treating Maharashtra as an ATM machine, only extracting money of the people and not giving any governance. So of course, to unearth the truth is what we all want, and that what would be the logical conclusion.
But the
Well, that's a very
important
generic
thing is
statement
here,
that you made. Obviously, you don't think that
Mr.
Parambir was
Patra,
part of it.
who is
Obviously, you
who is
don't believe that
responsible
Parambir
for
was
all
part
that?
of it.
Whether the state or the central government.
Obviously, you don't believe that Parambir was part of it.
Now, whether the central government is not responsible.
Sambit, you're
for
not
all these
answering.
things.
You obviously believe that Parambir was not part of it. I'm asking Sambit. Sambit's avoiding the question.
All of them are part of it.
You obviously believe
We-
that Parambir was not part of it.
No, Arnab. All of the no. All of them are a
means-
part of it.
all means
There are wheels
central
within
But the
government
NIA is not
and
even
let me
questioned
tell you.
Parambir.
I'm explaining.
Sambit
No, just a
Patra ji,
second. No, just a
what does it
second.
mean
All
all?
of them are part of it. One group protecting the other. Here we have a simple constable earning only 40,000 rupees per month. In fact, doing all kind of things which are unimaginable, being protected by Paramveer Singh. We have Paramveer Singh being protected by the Home Minister. The Home Minister protected by Pawar, and the whole system protected by the Shiv Sena government, the MVA government, by the Chief Minister. The question is, what is it that they're all trying to hide? What is it about each one of them that the other knows? And that's the reason as to why none of them want
No,
the
I
other
just
to be
feel
exposed.
obviously more
And this is
conspirators
where
exist.
I would
No,
say that
obviously
we are
more
not firing
conspirators
anyone.
exist. I want to bring. My
Everybody is under your
Samit Patra
governance.
ji, now the investigation is with
Arnab,
NIA. NIA is going to bring out all the truth. So are you going to guarantee that you are not going to form any alliance with any of the Maha Agadi government in the future? Maha Agadi alliance, you will not make any alliance with any of the political parties.
No, first and foremost, what is the most important requirement over here?
You will not form
I mean,
any
the
alliance with
political
Shiv Sena in
of
future or
Maharashtra, of
NCP in
course, is one of the
future.
issues we should be discussing on. Just a second, sir. Just a second. I'm
Obviously,
astonished
the
with
political
fact that
future
here
of
we have a
Maharashtra
serious,
is under doubt after what is happening.
cocktail of all kind of.
The public trust is completely lost in this government.
No,
But
let me
do you
please
make,
speak. Let
do
me
you
please-
make a firm statement that you are not going to form any kind of alliances with anyone?
No, just a second. No, just a second. Just a second. My firm statement is, who was it who was trying to plant the gelatin bomb? Who was it who was trying to extort money? Who was the mastermind behind the murder? I think these questions should be answered first. Who forms
You
an
and I
alliance
would not
with
know,
whom
Samit
is a
Patra
question
ji, this
that
is
comes
the
later.
NIA.
I think there are
the
pressing
responsibility
issues.
of NIA to bring
why
out the
would-
truth
why
for
wo-
the people
no,
of
why won't we
Maharashtra
know?
and also
Of
for
course,
the people of
NIA
India.
of
We
course
all
the
sitting
NIA
together
will
would
do
want the
its
truth
job.
to be out.
Of course
But on
the
a
NIA will
political
do
front,
its job. The
in a
Supreme Court of the
political
country
domain,
has also
BJP
said
is not going
that
to
this
form any
is
kind
a
of alliance with
serious
Shiv Sena in
issue.
future.
The High
That is
Court
for
has
sure.
to look into it.
Are we
The
in
High
that
Court would
certainty
be
or not?
hearing it out, and let us see whether the
I
CBI
got your
gets to
point, I got your
investigate
point.
or not.
But the probe is
Sambit's
going to
dodging
be
that.
with the
Sambit is
NIA.
dodging that. I want to bring in. I want to bring in.
File a charge
I want to bring in General Bakshi also. General Bakshi, just 1 minute. Manasvi, thank you very much. General Bakshi, General Bakshi, and Advocate Asghar Khan. 1 minute, please. General Bakshi, what is happening right now is that today the charges are grave. More cops are under the scanner. The NIA is going all in, and the whole nexus is now emerging. So there is no room to deny a syndicate. You all will have to accept what I've been saying from the start. There is a syndicate in Mumbai. A syndicate. There are terror conspiracy sections by NIA on Waze. More conspirators exist. Bring them out now. Stop making the people of this country, believe, which they don't, that Sachin Waze is the end point of the investigation. He's the starting point of the investigation. If he has been slapped by UAPA section 16 and 17, then please understand that an individual is not conspiring. There are a group of conspirators. There's a commission of a terrorist act. You have to catch all the conspirators. My worry is, General Bakshi, they're going to play political football on both sides with it. They want to play political football. They are looking at political leverage. They are not looking at bringing the whole thing, all facts of the case out.
At this point of
You are trying to use this for political leverage, and that will be a second great betrayal of the country. I've said my piece.
This is not the right time to say.
General Bakshi. General Bakshi.
Arnab, can I kindly comment? Thank you. Thank you. Arnab, for months now, months on end, a murderous mob has been running rampage in Maharashtra. Murderous mob, extortionist mob. It seems to be running amok, unchecked. There are a spate of very suspicious murders, which are being covered up as suicides. 1, 2, 3. Anybody who tries to talk against this murderous mob is, hunted relentlessly, remorselessly. The police are let loose on him. Shri Waze and Parambir are the prime henchmen of the murderous mob in Mumbai, who are let loose, whether it is Kangana Ranaut, her house is smashed, her offices are smashed, she is driven out. The Republic takes up cudgels on behalf of the people of Maharashtra, on behalf of the people of India. You are hounded, you are imprisoned, you are tortured, you are driven out. What the hell is going on? And now people want us to believe that it is not, it is somebody lower than Waze. The whole conspirator, the whole thing ends with one constable, and at best Waze, everybody else is lily white.
Colonel Sahab, you cannot say anything at this point of juncture.
तुलसी के पत्ते हैं साहब. अरे साहब आप चिल्लाइए मत. हमने भी काफी देख लिया, सुन लिया. Very patiently we have been watching.
मेजर साहब
ये हो क्या रहा है?
आप सुनिए.
Every day it becomes murkier and murkier.
This is not right time to say anything like you are putting.
You can say nothing. You could say nothing about Sushant Singh Rajput.
Investigation is going on.
About Disha Saliya.
You cannot say
You could say nothing about anything else. You could say nothing on the TRP scandal. Nothing you could say. क्योंकि तुम्हारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन ही खत्म नहीं होगी. और होगी तो एक कांस्टेबल पकड़ा जाएगा. Constable, His Lordship Sachin Waze is also too great to be caught up in anything. Everybody is lily white. You are making a fool of the people
we
of
are
India.
We are being fooled. I'm sorry, I have to say this with the information coming out so far, General Bakshi, with the information that has come out so far, and it is so limited, I can only safely conclude, Ishkaran, that the information is available but is being concealed. Yes. Please understand, there are multiple ringmasters here, Ishkaran, multiple ringmasters.
Yes.
There was somebody strategizing this all. A certain Mahesh Jagdish Chhajad, who runs a tour and travel company, paid 13 lakhs for Waze's stay at the Trident Hotel. So it's all being planned. We are being made fools of by being told the whole act is a solo act. My problem is that you're getting people under or parallel to Waze. You're not getting any people above Waze. The whole world knows that Waze's immediate boss, the person he worked directly with, the person who brought him in, the person who patronized him was Parambir. Now, we are being told, no, this is a solo act. Waze's arrest is the end of it all. Be happy. Why should we be happy? You think, Ishkaran, the people of this country would be quiet given the information that has been happening? And if there is an attempt to give this to some agency and then cut off the facts, like till today we don't know what has happened in the Sushant case. I am asking here today the Thane court directed the Maharashtra ATS to stop the probe into Mansukh Hiren case and hand over the case to the NIA. I am saying, how can the case with the NIA even begin unless Parambir is questioned? How does the case even begin if you don't go and question Parambir or ask him a few questions? Why is there a reluctance to hand over the case to the NIA?
Arnab, one thing is extremely clear, that the only thing which will satisfy the people and instill confidence in people is if there is complete justice and there is no scapegoating of minor junior officers. This was an operation which seemingly was carried out from a 5-star, where even the Aadhaar card they say was fake. From an offense of a fake Aadhaar card to a terrorism act, to a counting machine, to SUVs which were running into multiple crores, to extortion racket of 100 crore, the commissioner alleges. It is too big a scam to be left at the doorstep of Sachin Waze or even junior to him. That is very, very clear.
And it's been planned for a long time.
And yes, and secondly, when the person Sachin Waze himself was brought in after 16 years, what was the urgent reason to bring him in? And as soon as he is brought in, he is given charge of the most sensitive and important positions in Mumbai Police for an officer of his rank. So why was that decision taken? He did not appoint himself. He did not allot himself the crime intelligence unit or whatever unit he allotted himself. he obviously had a lot of backing from the highest quarters. And that conspiracy needs to be investigated by NIA. If it is not investigated, if it is not done thoroughly, then it will be an extremely sad case. If as some people might believe, if some Mandwali happens, if some compromise happens, if you don't go full hog, if you do not investigate everybody, then that would be a very, very sad day for justice. Because what would a common citizen face? He would face that in a case, such grave case of terror, he has an API involved, he has a Mumbai police commissioner transferred, and he has allegations by commissioner on the home minister. But end result, if it stops at the API, then people's faith in justice system will be derailed. And I have to say that
why is there a reluctance to hand over the case? Which is why I want to ask.
Only scapegoating.
No, I want to ask here. The question, therefore, which emerges is, why is there? No, Sujata, you realize one thing. Shefali and Sujata, there was a reluctance to hand over the case to the NIA in its entirety. Because the truth about why Sachin Waze was staying, checking in luxury hotels, dealing with so many people, 3 days after the Ministry of Home Affairs ordered the NIA to take over the Mansukh Hiren case, the Maharashtra ATS is yet to hand over the relevant documents. So was there pressure from multiple corners because more police officials could be named? Because politicians could be named? Why was there a reluctance, Shefali? Was it because those who are under the scanner will crack? Like Waze's friend and aide, Riazuddin Qazi, who has turned approver for the NIA in the Antilia bomb scare case. That means you basically have wanted to keep the case with yourself so far because you're worried that if the truth goes out, then you'll realize that maybe hundreds of people are involved in extortion and transfer rackets in Mumbai. Many dozens of people could be involved in the highest levels of financial corruption, and you want to conceal that.
It's obvious, Arnab, that the kingpins of this whole thing are not just Waze or his juniors. It's obvious that an API can afford to stay in a 5-star hotel for 100 days. Somebody pays his bill. He has access to luxury cars. He's the one who is entirely planning this thing. He cannot do this on his own. So this thing about he is just one rogue cop gone bad, nobody is buying that. It's very obvious that the then police commissioner knew everything that Waze was doing, which is why Waze's Scorpio and Waze's Mercedes were found in the commissionerate, were seen entering the commissionerate. Everybody knows that. And that is the reason why the Maharashtra ATS was so reluctant to give over this case.
No, that is my point.
NIA.
No, but they keep saying, Shefali, they say there are few bad apples. You believe that?
No, I don't.
I don't believe it at all.
Right now, the credibility of Mumbai police is like at the lowest best. I mean, you have a person sitting at the commissioner level who has been under cloud and an API. So obviously from top to bottom, there's cloud and there is a credibility issue with everybody. It's not a question of just a few bad apples.
So, so because now the case is with the NIA, the plot is thickening and more links are emerging from the NIA investigation. Now, what you've tried to do so far, Sujata, is you've tried to say there's a conspiracy to defame the MBA alliance. That's what your party, the Congress party, has been doing. They've been dismissing the whole case by saying this is a ploy to defame the MBA alliance. Since it has been formed, BJP is trying to defame it. You can't deny there was a syndicate. The fact is, what do we want to know? We want to know the names of the syndicate members, don't we want? Don't we want to know something? We want to know, Ishkaran, the names of the syndicate members? We want the names of the syndicate members on Republic, all the names?
Everybody wants to know who were part of the syndicate. But having said that, we also know that September 22, 2006, there was a court judgment. And who is saving Paramveer Singh? Because Paramveer Singh is being spoken about by Dr. Sambit Patra as if he doesn't exist. Earlier they were targeting him, now they don't want to talk about him. It is Paramveer Singh who needs to be questioned, like you said. I agree to that completely. Now, Devendra Fadnavis obviously was agitated and he was trying to bring down this government. That is a different issue. Here, there are two matters. There is a person who has been killed. And can you imagine that there is a conspiracy behind which now it is Paramveer Singh? Because who was calling Sachin and who was Sachin calling? It was Paramveer Singh. And when I spoke about these levels of hierarchy, you said there are no levels of hierarchy. Well, today you are saying the same thing, Arnab, that Paramveer Singh needs to be questioned, and that's exactly what I'm saying. And it is Paramveer Singh who has accused in retaliation to his removal from and the manner in which they were formed is in question today. Because Rashmi Shukla, was he given instructions by that government, and that is why he was removed? Now, these are questions which we will get answers to when the NIA investigates. Another very important thing is that NIA has not come up with anything new at the moment. So let us
sound nervous because the NIA has come in. No, Ishkaran, is she nervous that the NIA has come in? Why are you nervous? Your name is not there. Your name is not there. Why are you nervous? Some people you know are there?
Yes.
Some of your friends are there?
Arnab, the very fact that NIA probe was being delayed, they did not want to transfer it to NIA, shows that they know that there is something fishy in the version they are putting out. What is the correct version? That I am sure the NIA will arrive at. If it does not arrive at it, then that would be a failure of NIA. But NIA has taken over a case today by court order. Let us be very clear. By a court order, they have taken over a case. That means the honorable courts also feel this case should have gone to NIA. It would have been befitting if Maharashtra government did it itself, and we did not need a court order for this.
Ishkaran, can I come in?
Ishkaran, they were in love with Sachin Waze. 1 minute. Let me put a few things on record. What is your problem? Let me enjoy it. Lok Satta, 6th November 2020. Article out there. Kar chuke hain तिरसठ एनकाउंटर. जानिए देश की जनता, अर्नब गोस्वामी को हिरासत में लेने वाले ये कौन है? एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट सचिन वाजे. You were talking about him like he's Devanand. You called him an honest and capable officer. Some people after he put the TRP case said he's the most honest officer, most capable officer. Now they want to deflect it. They want to deflect blame to the BJP. Please understand. I will tell you, Congress MLA Sachin Sawant, he tried to deflect the case to the BJP by saying, Sambit, that BJP connection emerges. The Mercedes cars allegedly used by Mansukh Hiren on 17th February is seen in a photograph of BJP office bearer of Thane. Now he does not apologize for misleading the public on a matter of national security. You profiled Waze. You were utterly in love with him. You were in love with him. All you people. You said, let me tell you, Waze, encounter specialist who coveted fame, back in the spotlight with the Arnab case. He is a well-known researcher. No, listen to this. They said he's a well-known scholar. Ambit. 3 days after arresting me, the Latvian media was so much in love with him, Shefali. They said Sachin Waze is a great scholar, a great researcher, a very knowledgeable man who has contributed to the research of great authors across the entire world. I mean, short of giving him a Nobel Prize, you people did everything, Sujata. Abhi kya bol rahe ho? Now, you know, all of you did it. Shefali, now they don't know what to do. You were cheering him on.
Can I say something here? Arnab, can I say something here? Arnab, can you hear me?
No, I'll tell you one thing. Rohini, there is somebody called Rohini Singh. Shefali. She says, a few minutes later, Assistant Inspector Sachin Waze of the Mumbai Police Crime Intelligence Unit simply walks in and tells and requests, almost as if he was pleading, Goswami to cooperate. Goswami in response says Waze assaulted him though he wasn't there all this while. Alibi is being created by Rohini Singh for Sachin Waze. Who is this Rohini Singh, Shefali? I don't know. Who is this? It's a crazy, it's a bizarre, out of the world argument. These people who were completely besotted with Sachin Waze. Now, anyway, I've completed my piece. They now want the damage to be controlled at the Sachin Waze level, Sambit. Yeah, Shefali, please. Shefali wants to say something. Then I'm coming to you, Sambit. We need to expose all these hypocrites completely.
I have seen the news reports we are talking about where Waze was being pitched as some kind of James Bond, you know.
Don't worry. I won't tell the world what you were saying.
All of them were doing the same thing. and you've just quoted some person who probably thinks she's a actress from a James Bond movie or whatever. I don't know what she's talking about. But the point is, even 5 days ago, before this whole thing blew up, Sanjay Raut was defending Waze. He was saying he's a very honest officer, that his integrity is above board, that he can never do something. It is the centrist controversy. This is a tweet that Sanjay Raut did 5 days ago, before the whole thing exploded in space. And the day the CCTV footage came out, then they suddenly started to distance themselves away from Waze and trying to say that Waze is just a rogue cop. And then Waze, when he went down, he pulled Paramveer down with him, and then Paramveer pulled Anil Deshmukh down with him. The question is, who will Anil Deshmukh pull down with him? Which is exactly why Sharad Pawar has to do two press conferences in 24 hours to defend Anil Deshmukh, because he is scared who will Anil Deshmukh expose when he is going to be interrogated. That is the whole point. They do not want it to come to Anil Deshmukh or Paramveer Singh being interrogated.
Arnavji, now the only point what remains is now the investigation is with the central agency. It should not happen with what happened with the SSR
there are
case
many
or the
points.
Jia Khan
There are
case.
many points.
The central agency also does not do anything. So now
No, please, I will embarrass a little bit more. I'll embarrass a little bit more. Now you can't do this.
And the truth should be
No,
out.
NIA, not NAI.
The truth, NIA.
No, Sambit Patra is on. Sambit.
There is the truth.
Sambit, how far is this going? I go back to the question started with, what is the end game? What is the end game?
The truth should be out.
No, Mr.
Sambit.
No, as far as the end game is concerned,
Why are you looking
it is
nervous?
End game.
All of you are
NVA.
looking so nervous
It is
today.
End game.
Yes,
NVA.
Sambit.
No, I'm not looking. No, actually, Arnav, I have a very bad line, so half of the thing I'm not able to understand. But please allow me a few seconds of indulgence.
No, I'm
Arnav,
talking
first
about
and foremost,
Manasvi, yeah.
I would like to say, as far as the end game is concerned, it is end game MVA. It is end game MVA, number one.
We'll never say anything
Number
to
two,
you.
and most importantly, remember. See, over here, just a second, as far as Sachin Waze is concerned, as far as Paramveer Singh is concerned, all these people were the blue-eyed boys of the MBA. They were the blue-eyed boys, they were the best people, the most educated, the most literate, the most credible faces as far as the MVA, the Shiv Sena, the Congress party and the NCP were concerned. What transpired these few days, that suddenly from blue-eyed boys, they have become the betanoids of the MVA components. Suddenly they become the villains. It is because they are undefensible, because
MN
the
Singh is
letter
on the
written
debate.
by the
Chandrasekhar Azad.
something which in fact the
Sir,
NDA
you are
cannot
just roaming
defend,
around the bush.
because
The
what
country
Sachin
won't
Waje
want
has
to
done
know when is the
not,
truth going to be
is
out.
not.
Who are
No.
those
You are the
people?
bush.
Sachin Waze was
No,
working
you
for.
are the Kante ka bush.
Sir, we want
No,
the truth. We
sir.
don't want running
If
around
you
the bush,
talk
sir.
of bush, then you are the
Sir,
Kante
बताइए
wala
ना,
bush.
सच कब आएगा, sir?
You
When
are
is
the
the truth
Kante
going to
wala
come out?
bush. You are the Kante wala
when the
bush.
political,
आप
when
बताइए
the
ना.
political motive
आप
of
जो
your
कांटे
political
वाला बुश है,
party
सुनिए.
comes out,
The
at
Kanta
that
of
time,
extortion.
सच खत्म हो
The
जाएगा.
thorn
Sir,
of murder,
SSR
the
case
thorn
that
of
कुछ नहीं
extortion,
हुआ.
Someday we will
the
hear that
thorn
Paramveer Singh has also joined
the thorn
BJP
of
and he has
blackmailing.
become a clean
You
guy.
are that bush.
Investigation.
Chandrasekhar Azad.
No, of course not.
Chandrasekhar Jha and Sambit Patra. Chandrasekhar Jha.
No, Mr. Goswami, I have always
First thing
maintained that
is
in
that
the
MN Singh is also
there
with
is an
us.
idiom legally which is called as les ipsa lucota. That means the evidences speak for themselves. In this case, as far as the case in Maharashtra is concerned, all the evidences speak for themselves. Mr. Mansukh Hiren, the deceased, speaks for himself. That he has
Now
been
there
murdered.
are some
We have all the
evidences
trail of the
also which have to
SUVs
be looked
with the money
into.
counting machine speaking for themselves. Gelatin. Yes. All the evidences are speaking for themselves, and everyone knows. All those who are smiling as checkered cats, the chief minister and NCP chief. All those who are smiling as checkered cats. In fact, they know very well that the day is not far off when they would be exposed completely to the world. By the way, most of the world knows what is behind the wall. Most of the world knows that the wheel is off the MVA government.
Now, let me speak on this
And
issue.
you're waiting to take over, is
First
it?
thing is that
You're
the
waiting to
State
take over, is it,
Intelligence
Sambit?
Unit.
No. Politically, you're waiting to take over.
Mr.
He is
Goswami, this question
politically
has
and
been asked
personally
twice or
taking it
thrice in this debate. Let me tell you, let me answer. If you really want me to answer this, give me a few seconds. I'm going to answer this. Since this question has cropped up 2 or 3 times, whether the BJP will form the government in the future, will BJP align with some of these parties? Let me tell you, as far as the politics of the state is concerned, that only future can tell. I cannot predict over here. But we have a heinous crime. We have a set of heinous crimes committed over here. Why should we be discussing about politics of the state in the future? Our soul... No, just a second. We might have. But let me tell you, let me place my hand on my chest and let me tell you over here from my heart that Bharatiya Janata Party does not believe in politics of extortion. We don't believe in murdering people in cold blood. We don't put gelatin. We don't put gelatin blades and gelatin rods outside anyone's home. Unlike the Congress Party, the NCP and the Shiv Sena. No, we have not. We are not the washing machine for any gelatin explosive terror plot. No, of course. No. Let me be very clear, categorical. All those who have plotted terror. If you plot terror, you would be behind bars. If you plot murder, you're not going to be excused. If you are an extortionist, you will not be left.
Your party does not plot terror. Persons, they are released on bails if they are with you.
MN Singh is also with us. MN Singh is a former Mumbai Police Commissioner and DGP. And he's had a lot to say about the muck that has surfaced over the past few weeks. Mr. Singh, today is an important day. The NIA has invoked Section 16 and 18 of the UAP against Waze, which deal with commission of a terrorist act. Now, I don't believe, and neither do you, that Waze was acting without the support, permission, logistical help and guidance of his superiors in the police. Can you hear me? I think your video is gone. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me, Mr. Singh?
I can hear you.
I think your network. I think your audio is there, but your video is gone. So I'll get a phono plate out there. I'll put you on in just a minute.
I can see you all.
But I think this rot goes very deep. Yeah, that's great. I think the rot goes very deep. But you've been trying to convey that the rot is mostly coming from a political source. I disagree with you, and I think that senior police officials were very much part of all of this, and there is a concerted attempt to sort of protect them right now because the transfer racket, extortion racket is all coming out. You know, Mr. MN Singh, all over Mumbai, everyone's been talking about how there's an open extortion racket and the police knows about it. It can't be happening at an assistant police inspector level.
Yes, you want me to come in, Arnav?
You cannot say anything like that. This is not the right...
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, you see...
Mr. Singh,
Arnav,
please do.
Yes, the rot is very deep. There is no doubt about it. And I have said it earlier also, and I repeat, that API Sachin Waze was a Shiv Sainik in police uniform. And there is a lot of evidence which has surfaced to show his involvement in this murky deal, in this crime. The NIA is investigating, and it looks like that he was behind all this. Now, the investigation will reveal the true facts as to who was behind him. I don't want to comment and don't want to do any guesswork, but the fact remains that the image of Mumbai police stands very badly damaged and sullied. And if you ask me, I don't blame the police force of Mumbai, with which I have been associated in many capacities for a long period of time, is very fine police force. But if there is something wrong, it is wrong with the leadership both of political and the police. I blame the political leadership. And also I blame the police leadership. If Waze was doing what he was doing, the police leadership will have to own up their responsibility for it. The fact that he was brought into the service after being under suspension for so long, and he joined the Shiv Sena, and he was doing a lot of business also, was a great mistake. And in that decision-taking process, the police commissioner and the home secretary were involved. They were just a kind of doing a pro forma assessment and making a recommendation to the government which wanted him to be reinstated in service. This is the time when the police officers should have put their foot down. Unfortunately, that did not happen, and that is what we are facing. They didn't.
But they
didn't, and therefore, that is why I
but
hold
they
the
didn't.
police leadership.
But they did. So now.
Yes.
But
Yes, Arnab.
No, you were saying, please, you were saying.
I was saying.
You were saying something.
I hold the police and political leadership responsible for the mess in which the Bombay police finds itself. The police force of Bombay remains very good, is a very competent police force. The track record speaks for itself. It is the same Bombay police which broke the back of the underworld. It is the same police force which has been facing the brunt of the terrorist attack. It is the same police force which lost 14 officers. It is the same police force where the head constable Tukaram Ombole caught that Kasab, lost his life but did not let him go. It is the same police force of Mumbai which has lost so many officers dealing with corona pandemic. What more do you want to prove that this is a very fine police force? But if the leadership fails, well, this is the police looks up to the leader. And I hold the leadership responsible, both police leadership as well as the political leadership. And now the whole government stands so badly exposed. The police commissioner and home minister are trading charges against each other and washing their dirty linens in the police. It's a very sad day for Maharashtra government, for Maharashtra administration, for Maharashtra police. It was never the case with the Bombay police and with Maharashtra. Maharashtra is known as a very, very fine state.
My question is now.
Yes. Yes, Arnab.
No, I think it's an absolute disgrace. This Parambir, Waze, whatever was going on, extortion, blackmail, now Sambit, terrorism, extortion, blackmail, coercion at multiple levels. It's beyond a disgrace. My worry is, Sambit, you basically want to bring down the government. And that complicates matters. If you want to bring down the government and that's your end game, Sambit, let's be informal about this. Why don't you open up to me a little bit tonight? If you want to bring down the government and that's your end game, then you will, whatever you do right now in this case, will be working towards that end game. Why don't you separate your ambition of bringing down the government from the nature of the investigation? Otherwise, every step the NIA takes. Okay, alternatively, I can also argue. Alternatively, I can also argue that anything that the NIA finds out cannot be linked to the overall claim that everything is being done to bring down the MVA government. I don't think the BJP told Sachin Waze, Parambir or anyone in the Mumbai police to go plant a bomb outside Antilia. Did the BJP do that? Did the BJP tell the MVA government to tell Sachin Waze to find rooms in Trident Hotel and put gelatin sticks out there? I want to decide for our viewers. And yesterday I said, justice for the people. No, when this is political, how will we handle it? It is political now. India's biggest police scandal, Sambit, is 100% political. First you admit it, then we debate. And you must admit it is automatically political. I don't think there's anything wrong about it being political. It's a fact. It is political. It will be political.
Let me answer this. Let me answer this very calmly. Mr. Goswami. Number one, you asked me in the beginning what is the end game. You continued asking me what is the end game. And you have asked me now that whether our proposition is to see to it that the government comes down. And so why was not this a BJP is doing? Now tell me, the whole world in fact is convinced about the fact that as far as the government of Maharashtra is concerned, it is in fact surrounded by all kind of sins. Sin of extortion, sin of murder, sin of terrorism, sin of blackmailing, etc., etc. What should happen to this government? What should be the end game of this government? This government should come down naturally. The ones who were the perpetrators of these crimes, these heinous crimes, should be punished. And who should carry forward the political discourse? Of course, the opposition party in this state should carry forward the political discourse. The courts of this country should carry forward the judicial discourse and the judicial, the judgment and that truth is established. The police should carry forward the legalities. Of course, we are doing our duty by exposing what was wrong. We are doing our duty by saying that this government has erred and that people should punish this government. No, this is what we are doing. Whether this government falls or not, whether someone else forms the government or not is a secondary issue. The primary issue is this government's action is untenable. This government's action is something which in fact loads this...
is that only.
What is the primary issue, sir? That we want the government to fall. So because we want the government to fall, so you ordered your commissioner to write a letter? Because we want the government to fall and we bought Parambir Singh. Why is he not suspended today? No, just a second. No, just a second. Let me answer. Let me ask you a question. Supposedly Parambir Singh is our man. Why is he not arrested as yet? Why is he still the Director General of one of the departments, the Home Guards in your state, in Maharashtra? Are we telling the MVA government not to arrest Parambir Singh? Have we asked the MVA government not to unleash the NIA against Parambir Singh? Have we asked the MVA government to be protective about Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh? Supposedly we were asking all these things. अगर हम सब कुछ कर रहे थे तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप गिरफ्तार करिए ना इन लोगों को.
The investigation should be done. No. You people did not want this investigation to continue. Like you did for last 1 year. You have already made allegations against this
did not want the investigation. The Home Ministry wants the NIA to investigate the murder of Mansukh Hiren. You don't want the NIA to investigate. You did not want CBI in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. You did not want NIA in this case. And you say that we don't want investigation. You are the one who don't want investigation. My God, what क्या हो गया? Why is Sujata shouting like this? No, why is Sujata shouting like this?
Don't mix up everything. There are 3 issues here. One issue is that you want to bring down the government and you have admitted to that. Now, if there is a crime which has been committed, that crime needs to be investigated and not
There is only one issue. हम तीन हमारे दो.
You tell me, why have we not seen CCTV footage of who planted that vehicle over there? We have seen CCTV footage of everything.
NCP, Shiv Sena and Congress, हमारे दो, Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh. हम तीन हमारे दो.
Arnab, can we please come in? Look at this brazenness. Look at this brazenness.
And when he was removed, you started talking about him being holier than thou. What happened earlier? You were questioning him. And Sachin Waze was in direct touch with Parambir Singh.
Maharashtra, you as well as Colonel Bakshi also. Whether center is responsible or not for all these activities. Arnab, tell me one thing. The crime was
Can I please come in?
Serious and grievous crimes were discussed by the...
Excuse me, can I please come in?
Bakshi.
That for everything
General Bakshi, please. Anand, General Bakshi.
Colonel Bakshi,
I'm
tell
not
me
Colonel.
one thing first.
By the way, you get my rank
Whether
right.
center is responsible
Can I please
or not?
come in? Can you, sir, let me have my say?
General Bakshi.
Colonel Bakshi has discussed...
General Bakshi, please. Yeah, General Bakshi. Anand, General Bakshi, please. Thank you.
Arnab, I'm not a bloody colonel. You get that right first.
Sir.
I'm not a bloody colonel. Colonel. Arnab, what I'm trying to say is, how much are the people of Maharashtra and the people of India supposed to suffer quietly? For the past few months, we have seen, just hold your breath, the lynching of sadhus, alleged murders of Sushant Singh Rajput, Disha Salian, the breaking of the house of an actress who spoke out, the attack, vendetta campaign against a national TV channel, imprisonment of editors. Then Arnab now comes to top it all as the icing on the cake, an attempted terrorist act directed against the biggest, industrial magnate in India. Then comes followed by a murder. Then come charges of extortion racket by none other than the former Commissioner of Police, the DG Home Guards of the state of Maharashtra. 100 crores a month extortion. यहां बात हो रही है, why are you bringing the state down? Why are you bringing the political government down? What are we supposed to do? Celebrate? Give them a Nobel Prize for corruption? Give them that you are set new records and you can never go because you are born to rule forever and ever and ever and keep killing, keep murdering, keep extorting, keep doing terrorist acts now. Anybody who speaks, murder him. Arnab, enough not enough? नहीं, भारत के लोगों से पूछो, महाराष्ट्र की जनता से पूछो.
I agree with you.
डिबेट हो रही है.
But politically speaking,
trying to topple the government. What else are we supposed to do?
But when there is one,
and you know, Arnab,
I agree.
Joke,
but one impact of all this, Shefali, could be.
To tell you the biggest joke. Arnab, the biggest joke is the ATS has done the whodunit. They have solved the whole mystery. It is not even Vaze, it is one police constable who is guilty of it all. All of this has been done. Arnab,
no, but politically,
please let's stop laughing.
Politically speaking, Ishkaran and Shefali, 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Thank you, sir. Ishkaran and Shefali, 30 seconds each. This could also bring all the three members of the NBA together, don't you think, Ishkaran? This could bring them closer together because if the BJP is on the offensive,
I don't think so.
The natural tendency would be to come together. What do you think? Who goes first? No. You don't think so, Shefali?
I don't think so.
Okay, Shefali first.
I don't think so. I don't think so because when Vaze was in the dock, it was the NCP which was having fun and it was silent when Sanjay Raut was on defensive. But now that Parambir has come into the picture and he is named Anil Deshmukh, it's suddenly Sharad Pawar who is speaking up and defending, whereas the Chief Minister has remained absolutely quiet in this. So there's a lot of stuff.
No, these are bold allegations. See. These are very bold allegations.
Ishkaran, I know, Ishkaran.
Some minister asked for extortion of 100 crores.
Ishkaran.
These have got no evidences at all.
Political question. अब MVA की मजबूरी बन गई है. Arnab, if you're asking me a political question, I think they might end up sticking together even harder because अब उनका survival और मजबूरी बन गया है, subject to what NIA finds, because now Commissioner, ex-Shiv Sena member Vaze, Home Minister of NCP, because they are all under scanner, they might stick together even harder and even closer. And I do not see them going against each other now in this current situation. It is for NIA to crack the case.
I thank you all very much for that debate number one. On the other side tonight, why I believe the whole Bohiragoto or outsider card will boomerang on the Trinamool Congress in a few minutes.